Hey, what's up, refinance scholars? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because we talk about the what's the next and refinance. In upcoming days, they're going up or they fails down. Absolutely refinance. This video is going to be very special for every holder because if everybody want to know that they going up in upcoming days or they fail us down more. So refinance, first of all, if you can see here, the all crypto market, especially very bad loud, bad down, my friend. Bitcoin, Ethereum, every cryptocurrency, X or fee, my friend, all coin very badly falls down. So therefore, my friends, you can see here the refinance is also very badly falls down, my friend. So let's get started the section of refinance holder, my friend, and I think that they can go up. Yes, absolutely, my friend. And this time you can see here they going up in the last 1 hour. They're starting only moving up, my friend. And the last 1 hour, 0.1% only they starting moving up. So here is the resistance line. You can see here they go up. So I hope in upcoming time they also go up, my friend. The price, if you can see here, 0.03 US dollar. So remember the 0.03 US dollar, that this is the latest price of last 1 hour, my friend. Oh my goodness, absolutely here the price is very badly decreased, 0.3 to 0.4, 0.04. So very bad fall, my friend. And you can see here the chain agar as minus 18.55% they fell down, my friend. So this is not a small dump. Refiners, if you can see here, after a very bad jumps, a very good jump, my friend, they falls down very badly. You can see here this is the resistance line, my friend. You can see here. So completely after this, my friends, they falls down, my friend. So oh my good, jump again, my friend. And you can see here they falls down and jump again. So my friend, you can see here after a jump they falls down. So this is, my friend, the formula. If you can see here, after this fails they again take jump. So after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So this is the circulation of refinance, my friend. So upcoming time you can see here already the last 1 hour they go up like a rocket. So refinance, please, the good time is coming soon. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit, my friend. So please don't sell it, okay? Because in the end of month they make you millionaire. Yes, I tell you, my friends, they make you millionaire at the end of the month. So please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of the month. Thanks for watching refinance. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.